Welcome to your Transaction Tracker tab. Think of this as your control panel. This is where you will enter all of your data, day by day, week by week. The way it is set up is you have a transaction reminder up top. Keep in mind that this does not populate any data. This is just for reminders, keeping track of the amounts, so you don't have to always go back and check your bank statements if you know you have a recurring statement or a transaction. The transaction tracker right here is where you'll enter all of your data that gets tracked across all of the following spreadsheets. While clicking on the date column, a date will come up for your transaction. Select that. You will see all the categories that you entered on the setup page here. We'll go over recurring income. You will see salary, and then here you will manually enter the amount. You have a bar here for notes if you would like, as well as right here. I'm going to enter a few more just for example so you can see how they populate. And keep in mind that if you forgot to add something, you can always go back to your setup tab and add it again. I've added a few of these so you can see what it looks like. It's worth keeping in mind that you don't need to add expenses chronologically. You can go back a day, a week, a month later, whatever you need to, and add some more. Let's say I forgot an expense on the 2nd of January. I can go in, add it, and it will automatically be correctly populated into the following tables. At the top here for recurring transactions reminder, we can set a reminder for the due date and the amount and also check it off as we go. For example, I will add the due dates of a few of these subscriptions here so you can see how that works. As usual, we have a note section over here, which you can hover or click over to see instructions, as well as add your own notes. Now, you will see that for the recurring transaction reminder table, this table right here in pink, this gets auto-populated into your calendar over here on this tab so you can keep track of upcoming expenses. All right, that is it for the transaction reminder table. We're going to move on to the calendar next.